This lesson is 13.2 in Go Math for the homework. The title is Area, finding the area. Let's sing our song for area. Area model, base times height, base times height. Go ahead and write the formula for that at the top of your paper. A equals B times H. Base times height. The base is the bottom, and the height is the height, how high it goes, right? That's a good way to think about it. So if we look at the example for number 1, every time I want you to write the formula so that you remember it. They took the fun away, and they did it for us. So we just write the information that we know. Remember, the base or the bottom is the same for a rectangle because they are perpendicular or right angles. So whatever the measurement is on the top, it's going to be on the bottom. That goes as well for the sides. They will be equal on both sides. So the base is what? For number 1, what is the base, everybody? 12. Okay, so we put it right underneath the B and bring over the times. And what is the height? 9. It goes up. So we just think, okay, 12 times 9 is 108. Yep. So 108 square feet. Now remember, square is a clue for area, and it's the square units inside of the shape. Okay, let's look at which number, 2 or 3?
Number 3.
Okay, let's look at 3. Everybody write your formula. A equals B times H. Okay, my A looks funny. All right, what do I know? Do I know my base?
Yeah.
What is it?
15.
15. And do I know my height?
Yes.
What is it?
33.
3. Okay, so then I just have to do 15 times 3. So I'm going to just write it just to make sure and check. So 15 times 3. First go up, then go over. We're going to do 5 times 3 is 15. Regroup the 1. And then 3 times 1 is 3 plus the 1 is 4. So we have 45 what? Square meters. And you can write meters square or square meters. Both work. Okay? All right, number 4 or 5?
5.
Number 5. Okay, it's a word problem, so we're going to do cube and circle the numbers, underline important information, and box the question. All right, let's ready and read. To grow a new lawn. Each piece of sod is a 1 foot by 1 foot square. How many pieces of sod will Bryson need to cover his yard if his yard measures 30 feet by 14 feet? Okay, so if you wanted to draw a picture to get a visual of this, there's the yard. And what's the longer side? 30 or 14? 30. So I'm going to say 30 feet. And if I write, you should write by 14 feet. 14 feet. Okay. Next I do what? Write my formula. Okay, let's write our formula. A equals what? B times H. The B is the base, so 30 times, and the height is 14. Okay, so let's do 30 times 14. Can I do 14 times 3 tens?
No.
Isn't that what 30 is?
Yeah.
Isn't 30 3 tens?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll do that. I'll do 14 times 3 tens, and anything times 10 has a what at the end? 0, so I'm going to put a 0 at the end. Now I just have to go 4 times 3 is 12. Remember, if I write, you write. 12, regroup the 1, and then 3 times 1 is 3, plus the 1 is 4. So what is the area of this yard? Square feet. It says it right here that we boxed here by 30 by square feet. Okay. 30 feet by 14 feet. All right, I'm going to put a little box around that so it's easier for me to answer too. I'll just talk through number 6 and you guys can solve it. It says, think about what you know about perimeter and area. Describe how to find the perimeter and area of your classroom. All right, ready and go.